and I get a whiff of B.O. body odor.
Calling in all divas. It's time to glitter up your day with Simonalisa.
Hello angels. I'm pretty sure this is the second thrift trip of the day. I just didn't vlog in the first one. I had no storage. But I'm showing you guys what I've picked up so far. I picked up a few little denim shorts. Anytime I see like something like this color, it reminds me of Spring Breakers, like that kind of like color palette. I don't know how to explain, but if you know, you know. And then this Susie Sheer skirt is beautiful. You know how you know you had a good thrift haul? I was lining my stuff up. Oh god, I feel like I was in everyone's way now that I'm looking back on this. Anyways, another skirt. I picked up a few. The one right behind this floral one was a silk skirt right here. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, silk. But yeah, how you know you have a good thrift haul is when you're kind of like lining your stuff up to figure out what you're gonna like put back and keep, and someone is about to like snatch something from your section, and you're like, oh sorry, this is my stuff, and they're like, oh shoot. And anyways, a girl was asking me like where I was finding my stuff, and I was like pointing her to, you know, the sections I went through and whatever. Yeah, so those are some of the skirts. Yeah, honestly, a good amount of shorts, skirts, jeans. Now I'm in the bathing suits. I quickly looked through, found one. These Betty Boop pants, I saw them from further away. I just saw her face. I was looking at her, she was looking at me. It was set in stone right then and there. And then I found a little nightie and then a few scarves. Maybe I just picked up one. Guys, I can't remember. I was just laying everything out. Like prior to even starting this recording, when I was just there, like maybe an hour ago, I laid the clothes out. I like, you know, lay this shirt out and I get a whiff of B.O. body odor. Huh. That noise fucking scared me. I think it was just the bag I dropped. Guys, I'm scared of everything. Moving on. So right, I put the shirt down, get a whiff of freaking B.O. I'm like, how do I smell so bad? Like, I smelled this bad and didn't realize. I go sniff the two armpits. I smell great. I'm like, the shirt? I put it right there. Oh, it smells so bad. Oh my god. Like, go off. Like, don't wash your clothes, donate them. But wow, that was an odor. It made me realize I'm grateful because most clothes at the thrift store, well, can't speak. I swear, the owners, previous owners that donated them, like, they're washing it. And honestly, the thrift stores, why aren't you washing the damn clothes? You're the one profiting too much. Some of you guys are profiting way too much, and you know who you are. Moving on. I got this cute Victoria's Secret Victoria's Secret, you know, sleeping shirt. Stay the night. Cheeky. So cute. I love it. Oh my god, I don't know what this is. I literally don't understand it, and I was in a rush. I had to go to 2 thrift stores. I literally didn't have time to understand what this was, and my biggest fear is thrift store regret. Leaving something behind and regretting. So I'm like, I don't know what the hell this is. I'm gonna buy it. I literally don't know. Oh, we're getting a phone call. It's gonna have to wait. You guys are first. So yeah, I don't know what this silhouette is. I don't know. I'm scared. I literally don't understand what this is. I need to calm down. What is this? I thought it was like a shirt, but I'm like, there's no hole. What is this? Can someone help me out here? What is this? Oh my god, this time I think I just fucked myself over and wasted money. Whatever. We'll try to figure that out later. Then I got this little cardigan, this kind of cardigan situation style thing. Cute. Reminds me of Skins, reminds me of Effie. Now this little number, we've got, god, what do we have here? We have like glitter, we have sequins, floral, pretty little pace, and then I got a lot of stuff for upcycling, so I don't think I'll even bother showing you guys that. I got like boring things that I was like, I'm gonna make it fun. So I'm not gonna show you guys those things. I don't even know if I'll show you guys the whole haul. My light died. Guys, Can we deal with this lighting? Or do we need more light? Oh my god. Oh my god. I feel like everything is gonna freaking fall. Oh my. I feel like everything's gonna fall apart. It's like charging, whatever. Moving on. Yeah, was I in the middle of a statement? I think I was saying I don't show you guys everything from the thrift haul. Like who cares? I know you guys care more about the thrift with me, and most of the videos me showing you guys the items in my room, and I just feel like the thrift with me is what the people want, and I just can't give it to you unless I take my sister's phone to the thrift store or I get a new one. But I'm not buying a phone because I can't afford it. I can't even afford coffee. Anyways, this top might be a dress, floral, cute. Okay. Then this top, this Hollister, okay. This, it's like sequins and beads and, yeah. Okay. This, cute. Okay. My vibe is totally off, like, I think your girl's tired. I don't know. Do you guys ever feel like you're trying to keep it together? You're like, okay, you're like, you know that even though things are, if they're rough and whatever, it's like, they could be worse. So you gotta be grateful. But at the same time, it's like, you know, like, after like a bad time comes a good time. And things will get lighter and better. And then you think, and you're like, maybe today's the day. Maybe everything will be fine. And then shit goes wrong. Oh my god. And then your mood stumbles. Like, I'm kind of just vibing. I'm like, whatever. We don't have to be that happy all the damn time. It's fine. Delia's top. It's like a, you know, sheer. I feel like it would be a fun bathing suit cover up. Like, sheer white blouse. Instead of making it classy, make it trashy. Yeah, that's a good slogan. Okay, I like that. So now, more beads and sequins. And pretty. Very pretty. And then sequin tank. You know, the vibe. We've been seeing a lot of butterflies recently, and I've been not missing a chance to pick up. Actually, today, well, this was today, the second thrift store, there was a really pretty butterfly scarf. Might have been one of the clips. I didn't get it. I was like, I need to chill. I get scarves like too many. Maybe I have too many. I don't know. And then Candy Couture top. This for going out. Yes, like dark club and you're just glistening. Oh, but the music is arse at the clubs. Oh my god. I think the problem might be the need to appeal to men. Okay. Pretty. Oh my god. I didn't realize it's like a heart. It's like a heart right there. And it's like lace and beads. Oh, we got bathing suit cover up. I've been picking a few recently. I've been picking up a few recently. And the peacock feathers. I'm like, yeah. I'm a Leo rising, so we come in with that energy. If anyone cares about astrology, I don't know enough about it, but what I know is I'm a Pisces, sun, my main sign, makes sense. I'm crazy. I cry. I go up, I go down, I come back around. Like, I will never be like stable. Wait, that, I mean, I will never be like this. Like I go like that. And rising Leo, which I feel like you can tell. I feel like I am the epitome of like a Pisces and a Leo like mixed into a form. Yeah, Casablanca. Oh, and I didn't even do this on purpose. They're lined up back to back. Like I'm picking up as I go and like I line them up and they were lined up. Casablanca. Peace. This is like cutie pie. This, a fun little cardigan. Reminds me of another cardigan from another brand that I love. And I'm like, reminds me of it. So it's like it's a cousin or something. I wouldn't actually, maybe not even cousin. It's warm. And then this top, cute. Another Casablanca piece. I usually don't pick up that many pieces from that brand in one haul. So pretty. It's so shiny, you know? Like, do you see, like, showstopper? Okay, that was store 1. Fuck. The store 2 pile is over there. Remember, I did not show everything from the first store because there's upcycling pieces, not that interesting. Okay. Ooh, thumbnail? So yeah. Here's haul number 2. Haul number 2? I guess it's one haul, but store number 2. So we've got some skirts. I wanted to get longer ones, you know, Carrie Bradshaw skirts and all that. So we got this polka dot. Like, I just think that silhouette, it's great. And then, what's this? Yeah, and this skirt. Pretty. I hope they fit. I will be trying those on for sure. This silk skirt, 100% silk. Hell yeah. Okay, tank top to upcycle, whatever. These shorts. They're these pink shorts, low rise. Do you see that rise? Low. How we like it. And then I thought this was cute. Like, I swear, that's like a little kissy lip. What the hell? Why can't I hold them up? Cute. Ooh, now, okay. George Walmart shorts. Damn, this green outline, it's like crispy. It's good. I wish it was all over on the outside, but there's like a few little bits of it throughout. But guys, we are going to talk about this very briefly, but like, let's talk about it for a little bit. When Walmart, it was like, oh yeah, you shop from Walmart, because being broke was so, like, I feel like no matter where you lived, being broke was just not acceptable. It was taboo. It was like, some people still act some type of way. Let's be honest. Like, when you're around the really rich people and you're like, I can't afford it, they're like, can't afford it? What do you mean? What do you mean? It's like, what planet do you live on? That you don't understand what I mean. You don't have to relate, but at least understand. But anyway, yeah, when we were like, oh my god, we did not include me, but society people would be like, ew, you shop at Walmart? It's like my whole wardrobe was from Walmart, but we had to keep it shush. You know, that kids section where it's like, they were like the $5, this $5, whatever. I can't remember exactly, but it was like, you know, and then you had your Justin Bieber shirt and it's like, oh my god. Anyway, they had everything, to be honest. And the thing is, the point I'm getting to, I'm making it right now. My point is, when people were like, ew, you shop at Walmart, the quality of Walmart during that time is better than the quality of like the fancy schmancy brands today. Better by a gazillion. You go to the mall, you get the newest, most expensive thing from like Aritzia, Lululemon, what are the other ones? Whatever the other ones are, I can't keep up anymore. Garage, I mean, it's not affordable anymore at all. I don't know if it counts as the fancy whatever, but the price tags are, you gotta afford lots of things in this life to shop there, in my opinion. But yeah, better quality than all those places now. And I'm like, what happened? What happened? Moving on. This top from the brand Papaya. I love a good papaya piece. Like, this is just cute. It's fun. It's cute. I like it. Then we got some jeans. We got these silver jeans. These Rock and Republic jeans. This brand is made for the Marissa Coopers of the world. Anytime I make a statement of like a a reference. I'm like, should I explain it? Not everyone. Mochi. My bag is, no, not my bag. My cat is in my shopping bag. Anyway. Yeah, Marissa Cooper is basically Serena Vanderwoodson, but the original, and she's from the OC. But yeah, the Rock Republic jeans are made for her because they're made for if you're really skinny and really long. You need the longest legs in the planet. Then we got these. These I'm thinking of maybe upcycling. A few of these actually are to upcycle. And then these, which I also might upcycle into, like, if you guys know, you know, like skirts or whatever. Oh, and then I got this skirt. We're gonna see if it works, if it fits, if it works. But I'm thinking it could be a skirt, but then it could also be a dress. And then you cinch it in with a belt. And then this scarf, I couldn't not get it. It's just, it called out to me. Also, I'm pretty sure it's 100% silk. Yeah, 100% silk. Had that here. And then a little sequin, a little bead, or what is on here? Sequins and beads. What are these jeans? Okay. Yeah, upcycling. Oh my god, I picked up a little Halloween piece. One spooky witch. This is so cute. Oh my god, the moment it's like turns midnight, October 1st, we're wearing this. We're gonna have the cookie scented candles lit. We're baking Halloween cookies. We're watching, oh my god, I love the month of October, and I love watching my little spooky like cartoons or whatever. It's so fun. Okay, then I got this little slip, Victoria's Secret, I think. Yeah, Victoria's Secret slip. Now it's summer. It's the perfect time to wear your little slips to go to sleep. Wake up, slow mornings. Then these no boundary jeans. Oh, Miss Betty Boop. I saw her. She saw me. We looked at each other. We knew what was about to happen. Put her in the car. So cute. I really love that it's like this light pink color and with the stars. Like, so crispy. And then these jeans. This bikini top, the only bikini piece I got today. Wait, is it like that? Yeah. Cute. I don't know. I just like picked her up. I didn't think about it that much, do I? Yeah, it's cute. It's cute, I guess. Okay. What is this? Oh, and then another pair of jeans. Boring. Fuck. The last piece I showed you guys was so boring. Whatever. That was the haul. If this is your guys' first time watching me, I have a lot of thrift videos up. So literally go on my playlist, loop them up. Loop them up. And check out my other videos if you're interested. Thanks for watching, angels, and make sure to leave some glitter everywhere you go. Mwah.